Hi, so I'm back again. A small step for me and progress, but a huge step for mankind. I've been able to go around the entire circuit in less than 3 minutes, which is the biggest progress so far I've made. And since my last video, I've been able to stabilize my shot and be able to move around relatively stabilized and get my grounding. I'm not able to move fast enough because of the maneuvers and what I need to do. I imagine that as time goes on, I should be able to move through this faster. And so far it's wobbly, and I'm trying to get my balance, and I'm not always able to get through the checkpoints, as smoothly as possible. And I'm kind of also crawling on the ground trying to do the maneuvers because I kind of overshoot the speed and go way beyond the checkpoint. So right now I just crawl on the ground, trying to use the ground effect to balance myself, fly a little bit and just keep floating around so I'm able to gauge. And this one was really challenging and trying to, I just wanted to go through the checkpoint, but it's kind of a tricky thing doing sometimes. So me going through the checkpoints and trying to, this was kind of challenging a little bit. But I think I've made some progress in terms of my precision on the controls and trying to go through these checkpoints. I think from this point onwards, it was kind of smoother. I think when I'm descending, I kind of have it relatively easier trying to balance myself and stay afloat. So over here, my speed had increased, but I realized how to slow it down and come back to normal speed so that I can maneuver my way through the checkpoints. So going downhill was kind of easier for me at this point, and it was kind of a breeze, so yeah, it was easier going this way and finishing. This is the fastest time I'm able to finish on the track when it comes to this barn area. So yeah, that's me, and it's a big step for me, and excited about the progress I've been able to make so far. So far I've clocked about 2 hours in flight, so flight time, and yeah, compared to the previous video, this is much better, and I'm happy for the progress. See you in the next FPV lesson episode. Bye.